welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time tuning in. My name is Monifa and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, while the bus passed by, in today's video I'm going to be doing a skincare routine. Don't mind this career top on my face, don't mind it. It's my time of the month, so you know, I break out in the same spot. Am I the only one that breaks out in the same spot every time it's my time of the month? Is it just me, or comment down below if that also happens to you. But anyways, today I'm going to be doing a skincare routine. This is usually my nighttime routine, but it's morning, so don't worry, it's okay. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post another video. And with that being said, let's get into the video. So the first step in cleaning your face properly is cleansing your face. So in today's video, I'm going to be using the CeraVe Renewing CA Cleanser for normal skin. This is developed by dermatologists. And here it goes. This cleanser gently cleanses and exfoliates while softening and smoothing the skin. It also has hyaluronic acid, which helps retain the skin natural moisture so it doesn't strip your skin. And it also has salicylic acid, which helps exfoliate the skin, which is a gentle exfoliant. It's not as harsh as a scrub. I'm about to apply this right now, so let me wet my face. The first thing you want to do when you wash your face is wash your hand. A lot of people forget that step. They forget to wash their hands, like thoroughly wash your hand before you even put your hands on your face. So we're going with a pint size, I don't know, dime size, penny size amount. We're gonna rub it up. Then we're gonna apply it to the face. Be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do. I rub this in about a minute or so, and usually your fingers will do the job, because you don't want to rub your skin really hard. But if you're looking for a deep clean, you guys can opt for a spin brush. So I'm going to be using the Radiance Spin Brush from this brand here. And I'm going to show you guys how I use it. So it comes with this instructions. It comes with a cleaning brush, an exfoliating brush, a pumice stone, a body brush, and the base. This is the pumice brush. I'm pretty sure this is for like rough areas like your bottom of your feet. This is the body brush, so you can scrub your body with it. And face, and this right here is the base. It is so bright you guys can barely see it. Hold on. It has an on and off button. It is battery operated. So yeah, let's get into the cleansing. Don't mind taking my time. Stay in this bed now. It's not so harsh on your skin. It removes dirt, oil, and makeup more effectively. You can get into the crevices and corners of the skin. You can also do the same thing for your body, like I said before, and scrub your back, your shoulders, your arms, your legs. You can also use the pumice on your feet to get the harsh, dried, tough skin off. Like we are soulmates, something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now. Never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know. And that's that's about it. So if you guys would like to try out the Duvolle Radiance Spincare system, you guys can use my coupon code at Manifa. I'm going to put it right here to get 70% off, okay? 70% off. So if you're one of those girls that have been trying to find one of those nice spin brush that has the body system that is high quality but is outside your budget, well, today is your lucky day because you can get 70% off if you use my coupon code at Manifa. I'm gonna leave the coupon code down below so you guys can click on it and get your system today for 70% off. So let's wash this off. I go in with a paper towel because I feel like it's a lot more hygienic. It doesn't leave bacteria. It's disposable. So I feel like it's a lot better than using a towel. Even though I'm going to use a brand new towel to take off my mask. So speaking of masks, I'm going to go into the next step. So the next step of your skincare should be treatment. So after cleansing, which is what we did, now it's time to treat the skin. You can go in for a serum or a mask or a scrub, but for today's video, I'm going to be using a mask. This is the mask that I'm going to be using, which is the Pervonia Sensitive Skin Mask. It's a soothing sensitive skin mask. I don't know if you guys can see it. So the reason why I like this mask so much, and I'm going to apply it with this brush, is because unlike other masks or the masks that I usually use, like the Aztec clay mask, they're really drying. Even though they work really, really well, they're very drying. With this mask, it's gentle on the skin and it doesn't feel heavy. It's very light and gentle. So it's great for sensitive skin. It soothes redness and it hydrates the skin. Like I said, when you are cleansing your face, a lot of your natural oils are being removed. So what this mask does is restore those oils back into your skin. So I'm going to apply this on my skin and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then wipe it off with a lukewarm towel. And then I'll move on to my next step in my skincare regimen. After 10 to 15 minutes, you want to go in with a lukewarm towel. You want to place it on your face. Taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now. Never get out. 'Cause I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Let's wipe it off. So after cleansing, then treating, then you want to moisturize. What I moisturize with is the Rose Hemp Oil, certified organic cold press. The reason why I use rose hemp oil is because it's very lightweight, it isn't heavy, it hydrates, it moisturizes, it boosts the collagen in your skin. Even though you're young, you still want to start a regimen that helps with collagen, which is what brings the elasticity. What makes your skin jump back is the youthfulness in your skin. It helps reduce redness and inflammation, and it also removes dark spots and hyperpigmentation. So you don't really need a lot. You can just apply 2-3 drops, and then you just and that's basically it. If I was going out, I would apply a sunscreen. I know that there's a myth that Black people don't really need sunscreen, which is true to a certain extent. Like, we might not need as much sunscreen, but we definitely do need sunscreen because we can also get skin cancer and sun damage as well. So make sure you put your sunscreen on. I just apply a lip balm. This is a peppermint lip balm to keep my lip hydrated. So that's it, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post another video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.